a lot foreigner chatting me, but some of them asking my giti, and I don't continue them anymore chatting. Only Ken don't ask my giti. That's why I am talking with Ken now. We're just knowing each other.
जा जा रे जा जा रे पवन सन सन na 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 san.
Pag nag-init na ako, magkape ka na.